Okay, if you've ever run into a ceiling vent hanging out of the ceiling, you understand the issue. Drywall's compromised, you can't screw them in. You're gonna wanna take that, you're gonna wanna toss it. You're gonna wanna replace it with a FitVent. The world's first friction fit ceiling, wall, and floor vent installs with no screws, no tools, no hassle. Toughest part's taking it out of the box, not even that hard. Squeeze the back, pinch the front. Install, and you're done. You can fully open and close the damper to control your airflow into each room. One issue that we've noticed can happen, sometimes the FitVent will slide out. It is not the FitVent's fault, it is the duct boot. If you come over here and look quickly, you can see this loose duct boot is not flush. You take an S-Cleat, you can buy these at any HVAC store. No tools again, slide it onto the bottom. Get it flush with the drywall, it's gonna tighten the fit. Again, squeeze the back, pinch the front. You're gonna have a nice, tight fit. And you're done. Installation in seconds.